the sister-in-law of your dad's only brother. Who's that person?
Either way, I'm going to be calling her auntie something, so she's my auntie.
Wow.
What? She is a woman like me. Yes.
Worry.
Hey, wait. My father only brother. His
sister-in-law. Who's that person?
sister-in-law.
Who be that?
The cucumber.
Oh, it's my in-law. The sister-in-law.
Of your father's only brother. Who's that person?
Still my in-law.
Family now, family. Family. I mean, when I walk catch today, family, my brother. We're all family.
All family. Think of.
So my dad's only brother.
Yeah. Who's his sister-in-law?
That's my uncle's sister-in-law.
His sister-in-law.
Who's that person?
Not be my wife, be that.
Don't see that thing. Well, now they do. You want to fool me on national television? I don't know. I will not give any answer. I don't know. So that tomorrow night
think about this now.
Okay, this thing is my
fifth grader
auntie.
Now still my auntie-in-law. Auntie-in-law, my brother. This math is a very confusing one. My father's only brother's
sister-in-law.
Sister-in-law.
Who's that?
My father's only brother's
Sister-in-law.
Auntie with a call from village. What kind of setup is this? When I want to mess my line up.
So your dad's only brother?
It's my uncle.
Who's his sister-in-law?
His sister. Duh, that's me.
No.
His sister-in-law. My sister-in-law.
May I say the answer?
Oh, you are having fun. You are using it.
May I tell you the answer? May I tell you? You go vex, so you don't get down.
No. Tell me. Why will I be angry?
My father's only brother and sister, auntie.
Auntie?
Yeah.
You sure?
Because that's my uncle's wife. Oh, yes.
My uncle.
His sister-in-law, who is that?
His sister-in-law.
Who is that?
My mother.
Hey!
My mother. Happy Mother's Day, mommy. Oh, yo. I got it right? Oh man, my brain is working.
Who's your uncle's sister-in-law?
My uncle's sister-in-law is maybe my dad's wife, my mom. Hey, happy Mother's Day. Sweet mother, I never forget you.
Sister-in-law. My brother.
You don't know?
Now my mama be that. Hey, that is making sense. The triangle. Thank you so much, man.
I appreciate you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Well, that's either the student, that's either his own wife's sister, or that's my mother. My wife's, my father's wife.
That's what I was looking for. Your father's wife, your mother.
That's one way.
I see your logic.
I mean, if he's married and his wife has a sister, and then his sister-in-law as well.
My mom.
No, now you're thinking.
Mommy, I mean to do you like
Imagine
that.
your mommy was watching this and you told her it's my auntie. What would you say?
I'm ashamed. It's because I wasn't trying to do the brain work.
My mother now.
Hey, bad guy.
Abi?
Nobody don't get that move.
I'm too sharp.
Nobody don't get that move.
Well, my father's only brother, first of all,
He's your uncle.
is my uncle. You
So
understand?
who's your uncle's sister-in-law?
So my uncle's sister-in-law is family in-law. Family in-law. Tell me the answer. You win. I never knew I'll fall for something like this. Artists are smart.
Your mother.
No.
Thank you so much.
No.
Your father's only brother, that guy. Who be his sister-in-law?
My mother.
Hi.
So all this question, all this connection. So you were talking about my mother. God will judge you. Ask me the second question.
I hope you know they rejoice for stupidity. Abi, I get her.
You get her.
My father's only brother. Now my mama be sister-in-law now.
No.
But correct. Now night school, but I still try. I go school and not enter class, but I know.
Your father's only brother is your uncle.
Yes.
Your uncle's sister-in-law is your father's wife.
Okay, not true. not true. So that is, so if it's my
Your
father's
mom.
wife, that is my mother.
Hey.
Until Mother's Day.
Hey.
So that is Chris. I don't try at all.
Thank you, man.
Thank you so much.